The new extrusion gun is specifically designed for operator comfort and easy cleaning, making it ideal for extruding medium to high viscosity fluids. The adjustable flow rate, controlled by a manual screw, ensures excellent accuracy to meet even the most demanding applications. Its safe quick-lock system is essential for preventing accidents, ensuring safe and reliable operation. Equipped with a stainless steel nozzle, the gun guarantees precision and long-lasting performance, even under challenging conditions. The design minimizes operator fatigue by allowing the gun to function smoothly at maximum working pressure. The ergonomic handle, made from a polypropylene fiberglass blend, ensures comfort and minimizes heat transfer, withstanding temperatures up to 70 degrees Celsius. Inside, a tungsten carbide ball ensures durability, resisting wear from abrasive materials and performing exceptionally well with high-pressure, viscous fluids. Depending on the application and the fluid being extruded, the gun is available in two versions, one capable of operating at 250 bar pressure and the other at 500 bar pressure. This extrusion gun is highly versatile and finds use in various applications, including the manufacturing and assembly processes of products such as windows and vehicles. You have tried the rest, now get the best.